Welcome to Matoshri College of Pharmacy, Eklahre, Nashik. This video will provide you information about scope of pharmacy and career opportunities in a pharmacy field. In a pharmacy, Bachelor in Pharmacy and Diploma in Pharmacy course are popular courses in India as well as abroad. The question may arise to your mind that what is pharmacy? So, the art of practice or profession of preparing, preserving, compounding and dispensing of medical drug is called as pharmacy. No one knows more about medication than pharmacist. Pharmacy word will imagine you about only drugstore, but it has vast scope in the field of community pharmacy, wholesale pharmacy, organization management, industry pharmacy and government. Pharmacists play a major role in community pharmacy. So, a pharmacist having an aptitude for business can open a retail drugstore to serve the community. He also acts in wholesale pharmacy. The wholesale offers opportunities to a limited number of pharmacists to run a wholesale business of drug and medicine. Pharmacist has an opportunity in organization management. This management available for those with pharmacy education who wish to serve in national and state association and on board of pharmacy. Student after their graduation can work in industries. So, pharmaceutical industry offers the opportunities to the pharmacist to all educational leaves. Industrial pharmacy provide job to a pharmacist in the following field, such as production or manufacturing, formulation, development, quality assurance and quality control, marketing and sale, pharma packaging, technology, research and development. Pharmacist has opportunities in the field of drug and control administration to run both at the level of central government as well as state government. Pharmacist has a key role in healthcare system. The healthcare system, pharmacy is the practice of pharmacy in private and government-owned hospital, health maintenance organization, clinics, walk-in health centers and nursing home. He also play a role as hospital pharmacist. The practice of pharmacy within the hospital under the supervision of professional pharmacist is known as a hospital pharmacy. Pharmacist has a scope in nuclear pharmacy. Nuclear pharmacy applies the principle and practice of pharmacy and nuclear chemistry to produce radioactive drug used for diagnosis and therapy. After completion of his graduation and post-graduation, he can work in academics. It's a pharmacy profession provides the opportunities in the teaching field. He also has scope in drug regulatory affairs. Drug regulatory affair is a comparatively new profession which developed from the desire of government to protect public health by controlling the safety and efficacy of the products in areas including pharmaceuticals, veterinary medicine, medical devices, pesticide, agrochemical, cosmetics and complementary medicines. Pharmaceutical journalism. Pharmaceutical journalism offers rewarding experiences for a limited number of pharmacists with editing skills. After completion of diploma in pharmacy, students has opportunity to work as wholesaler or retailer in sale and marketing and can work as hospital pharmacist. After completion of diploma in pharmacy, student has opportunities to work as hospital pharmacist in clinical trial, in sales that is in marketing as a production management, training and in market research. Government job. Students after passing diploma in pharmacy and bachelor in pharmacy has vast opportunities in government job. Industrial job. Student has opportunities in industries such as pharma industry, cosmetic, food and also chemical industries. In industry they can work in areas such as production area like quality control, quality assurance. R&D like formulation, drug discoveries, analytical method development, novel drug delivery system, herbal research, pharmacokinetics and in drug metabolism. In biotechnology, downstream processing, genetic engineering and clinical trials. They work as an entrepreneurship, wholesaler, retailer, manufacturer, supply of API and community. In academics as a lecturer or assistant professor. After pursuing the degree in pharmacy, the students are eligible for cracking the examinations like IAS, UPSC and MPSC. Courses provided by our college: B Pharmacy and D Pharmacy. Duration of course for B Pharmacy is for 4 years. The eligibility for the course is as follow. Candidates belonging to general category must have scored a minimum aggregate of 45% marks in physics, chemistry as a compulsory subject, and biology or mathematics in HSC. Those candidates who belong to category such as SC, ST, NT, SBC and OBC must have scored at least 40% marks. Candidates should appear MHT CET with non-zero score or NEET examination. For direct second year admission, candidates should pass with 50% mark in Diploma in Pharmacy. Duration of course for Diploma in Pharmacy is for 2 years. Eligibility for course is as follow. Candidate must have passed HSS examination with physics, chemistry and biology or mathematics. Our college. Matoshri College of Pharmacy has a milestone of pharmacy profession in Nashik rural area. The college is a center of excellence at all levels in the field of pharmaceutical sciences, consigned to create self-disciplined, physically fit, mentally robust and morally strong professional with high degree of integrity and diverse knowledge. Our college has provided a state-of-an-art of infrastructure and learning resource with a fulfillment of adequate facility for teaching learning as per PCI norms with physical and academic support. Matoshri College of Pharmacy campus welcomes you with great decorative landscaping. The facilities provided by college. Our institution provides all facilities of well-equipped classroom, staff room, seminar hall, library, computer lab, office, placement cell, restroom, cafeteria, outdoor auditorium and playground. Classroom. The classrooms are provided with facilities of audio-visual teaching and each room are under CCTV observation. There are comfortable sitting arrangements for students in the classroom with adequate number of benches as per the student capacity. Library. The college has well-maintained library with adequate number of books, journals, newspaper, e-books, e-journals and magazines. We provide open access library system for referencing of books and journal for students. The student is provided the soft copy of reference book for referencing. Laboratories. All laboratories are well equipped as per norms of PCI to carry out laboratory practicals for students and has a safety measures which provide good atmosphere for academic and research work. Computer lab. Our computer lab provides internet facilities with Wi-Fi to students. Language lab is also provided in order to improve English of students. Canteen and cafeteria. We have a canteen and cafeteria in our premises which provides a good and hygienic food facility for students and staff. Bus facilities. We provide the bus facility for students. Parking area facilities are provided for students and staff for parking within the campus with a shade. Games. To produce a healthy atmosphere and to fresh up the mind of students, we take extracurricular activities where we has mega events of sports competition for students. Students enthusiastically participate in these events of both indoor and outdoor games. Our college has cricket ground, basketball court and volleyball court also. Extra activities like fresher party, college trip. We conduct the induction program and workshop for new first year candidates. Students are welcome with fresher party. Every year we arrange the industrial trip where we students visited the industry as well as they enjoy the trip. We celebrate each and every festival. It might be Daihandi, Ganeshotsav, Navratri. To fresh up the mind of students, our college arrange a mega event where we arrange small competitions of sports, rangoli, drawing, quiz, food stall, traditional days competition where students get the prizes as well as in academics they achieve prize and certificate. Students show their performance in last event activities. Our students with the curriculum, they enthusiastically take participation in community social activities such as Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, plantation of tree, NSS camp for rural people awareness program and water conservation program. Opportunities. With the institution so deeply connected with the industries, so the students get the wide range of opportunities to kick-start their career. Every year we arrange the campus interview and provide the opportunities for students. Hope so. With this video, you have got the deep knowledge of pharmacy and you will select the pharmacy as a profession. All the very best for your admission and selecting a good course for your bright future. For further details, you may contact on college phone number 0253 240 6687 or you may contact to Principal Dr. Toyle Sir 9822779611, Mr. Kapse Sir 7588013568, Dr. Malpure Sir 9423469108, Mr. Vyavahare Sir 9970597737, Mr. Chauhan Sir 9421389117. Thank you.